Good Monday morning, everyone, and a wet Monday morning it is across the Cumberland Plateau. Seeing lots of rainfall out there this morning. Be careful if you're out and about. The big weather headline today is Hurricane Melissa, now a Cat 5 in the Caribbean just south of Jamaica. We'll be making a turn toward Jamaica and making landfall there sometime on Tuesday as a catastrophic hurricane. So keep those folks close to your hearts. Lots of folks in this area are going to be heavily impacted by this very powerful storm. And I'm sure they would appreciate your thoughts and prayers. It's going to be a long road to recovery after this storm has passed. Upper Cumberland Federal Credit Union bringing us our weather headlines. It's going to be wettest on Monday and Wednesday of this week. Trending colder by midweek. For season's first snow flurries possible Thursday. And then chilly weather for Halloween. Premier generators bring us our level of concern. Just rain, possible non-severe thunderstorms. That'll keep us at level 1. Clearview Closet and Blind brings us our 5-day forecast. Rain today, 100% chance, highs in the low 50s, east wind at 5 to 10. That east wind means we're north of the warm front, so we don't have any severe weather worries for our Monday. Highs, like I said, that'll keep our highs in the low 50s, dropping into the 40s tonight. Tuesday, it looks mostly cloudy. I've got a 20% chance for a shower on there, but we're in a break between two systems, and so mostly cloudy skies, highs in the upper 50s. Wednesday, rain returns in earnest with southeast winds 10 gusting to 20. 100% chance of that rain. Highs only around 50. Overnight lows dropping into the 30s. And on Thursday, scattered showers, northwest winds at 15, gusts to 25. Highs only in the 40s. It's going to feel chilly. Overnight lows dropping into the low 30s. So frost by Friday morning, it looks like. And we could even have a few snow flurries Thursday night. Friday, partly cloudy for Halloween, highs only around 50. And that west wind at 15 gusting to 20. You're going to want to dress those trick-or-treaters up in the warmer costumes. I've got the hourly forecast now, the hourly rainfall forecast. This is a new graphic. You see rainfall chances are greatest before noon. Up to noon, I should say, into the early afternoon, trailing off in the afternoon to 50-50 shots, ticking back up around just after sunset or so before trailing off again near midnight. It's 5-day severe weather outlook. Severe storms not expected, but heavy rainfall is possible on Wednesday, so I'll keep an eye on that. Wackert Realtors bringing us our extended threats. Just the heavy rainfall on Wednesday. Total rainfall totals for this whole week will easily range between 2 and 3 inches across the Cumberland Plateau with localized heavier spots. I've got below normal temperatures for this coming weekend and possibly watching some below normal temperatures for the end of next week as well. On this day in weather history brought to us by B&H Storm Shelters, 1957, we had a trace of snow at both the Crossville Airport and the UT Experiment Station. 1961, the first Saturn rocket was successfully launched. That would later become the Saturn V and be the rocket for the launch vehicle used in the Apollo moon landing flights. So exciting times there for sure. Don't forget, I've updated the almanac. I always update that on Sunday night for the week ahead. Find out when to make your jams and jellies, when to perm your hair, harvest above ground crops, wean your animals, and more right here with your Farmer's Almanac. You folks have a wonderful Monday and keep looking up. For even more weather information, just download that Meteorologist Smart app. It's free, or go to meteorologistsmart.com.